Hello everyone. I'm going to be demonstrating how to use Skipfish as an ethical hacking tool. Skipfish is an automatic web application security tool that has been designed to find vulnerabilities on your web application, so that you can find vulnerabilities on your website before a hacker can find them and exploit them. It is applicable across platforms, which includes Linux, Mac, and Windows. It is a powerful full scanner that crawls the targeted website and fully scans the pages there. It then prepares an interactive sitemap for the targeted site by carrying out a recursive crawl and dictionary-based probes. The resulting map is then annotated with the output from a number of active security checks. The final report generated by the tool is meant to serve as a foundation for professional web application security assessments. So